Good morning. Ki khabar sabore. I have got another video today about non-fire cooking. It's an Assamese dish, a breakfast preparation without any fire. Actually, people must be thinking why I keep saying that I'm a Navy wife, and then why do I say that? Because I'm married to a Navy officer. By now, everyone knows. The thing is that we keep getting transfer. When we get transferred, there is a period called from one place to another, whether it is in India within or we go to abroad. So what happened is there is a time frame. It's called transit accommodations, which we get immediately once we landed to a place. So we are given transit accommodations, which is like the food are cater for you. It's like a hotel for us inside our colony. So that's not a proper house. By the time our transport comes with our luggage, so within those days we stay in those transit accommodation. So what happened that every day eating the transit food, though it is very well prepared, very delish, but still you miss the home cooked food. So what happened is when my children were young, so I used to carry this one particular thing wherever I used to go. In fact, in our travel also, I used to carry these three things with me. It's like a real big time a breakfast in a home. Everyone relish this thing, and I also love it. In fact, my children, my in-laws, everyone. So only we need three things over here, which is easily available everywhere right now in India and in abroad also. But only thing is what you generally people does is like local meals and locally prepared at home. Also, they make these puff rice, which is called poha in Hindi, and then they call it Chira. Chira is in Assamese. So these are these rice, puffed rice. So what you do is when it is locally made, you will like to wash them on a strainer, but these are the factory made, so it comes on a sealed packet. So I don't like to wash it because it like crumples up and then make a mess out of it. So directly I'll be putting it into my bowl, how much ever you want to have. So this is a non-fire cooking anywhere you go. This is a very pocket friendly meal for you, and any time of day you can have this since it's got a dahi into it, a curd, which is a yogurt or dough in Assamese. You like to avoid at night time. They say you are not supposed to eat, but we eat at night also. The thing is that next thing is you will like to add some yogurt, how much ever you want to soak. Since it is not a soaked or washed puffed rice, I will like to have some more into it, dahi. And the star ingredient of this breakfast is the jaigre, gur. It comes in many shapes and form. Like these I have got from the supermarket, and I have just diced it in smaller bite pieces. Or you can, what you can do is take the whole big piece and put it in the warm water a little bit. It will melt. So that is called Julia gur in Assamese. but if you don't like that liquid form of it, so you can just mince it with a knife, and then you can just directly pour it over. I like it a little sweeter because it gives a fantastic taste with this. Originally, authentically, you eat it just like this. So you must be thinking it's too much. It's how much is too much. It's like how much you want to have your breakfast as deliciously. And then you just mix it. If you want, you can give it a rest for 2-3 minutes, or you can directly have it if you like the crunch of the puff rice, which I like it better with the crunch, though it gets into your teeth sometime. But don't worry, if it is like too dry, then you can mix with some more yogurt. Since it's summer, yogurt is the one thing you should always include in your diet, whichever form you like. In Assamese, with meal, we don't like to have yogurt, but for breakfast, we enjoy yogurt, which is the actual time of the day when you should consume your good bacteria into your diet for rest of your day. Like, and the carbs, this is like a puffed rice, so it is the carb. It gives you a lot of energy, and we don't use much of a refined sugar, so we are using this jaigre. These are the sugarcane jaigre. Palm jaggeries are not very famous in Assam. Instead of that, we have a lot of sugarcane jaggery. It's like every household in our village, like every second household, you can say, make their own jaggery. In fact, in my grandmom's house also, they used to make jaggery. So whenever they make, so we used to get the whole your jaggery with us. And even these puff rice, we used to get it in our own local meals from. So then we used to wash them. And the yogurt, like if you don't get it easily in nearby your place, so what you can do is like buy a packet of yogurt and 1 teaspoon in a lukewarm milk. For a liter or a half liter lukewarm milk, you just stir it, put it this much of a teaspoon, and mix it. Just cover it for 4 or 5 hours, leave it alone, and then your yogurt is ready to consume. So generally what I do whenever I used to travel in like outside India, so my husband will carry like in a small glass jar a little bit of yogurt with him. He's like so much fond of yogurt, and he's always afraid that he will not get it somewhere. But now it is easily available in anywhere. It's like anywhere in form it's like a Greek yogurt or flavored, all kind of flavored yogurts are available very easily. In fact, in India, wherever I go now, yogurt is easily available in any forms, like a liquid ones or the thick ones or slim ones or like skimmed ones, anything, whatever you want to incorporate in your breakfast meal, you can, but you must, because these are the good bacteria fight for your gut. That is what we are focusing. And the bonus part is this breakfast is you can carry it easily anywhere you travel, and it is non-fire cooked, so you can, it's so healthy that you can give it to your children before going to school every day for breakfast. And before that, I like to have some water. It's must that you dehydrate yourself all the time in the summer. And enjoy your coffee too. I hope this is helpful to you. If anything you like to know, please comment below. I'll definitely reply back to you. And enjoy your breakfast. Take care. Bye bye.